Hello everybody and happy 4th of July week and welcome to another Tuttle Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to go over how to make a booklet from the print driver for a Canon Image Runner Advance 5550 Generation 2. So this is pretty simple. We're also going to show you how to lock it down and make a preset so you don't have to reinvent the wheel every single time. So I have the driver window open. Well, actually we can start over. This is the Acrobat print screen. From here you would hit Properties. And then right here where it says page size, letter, and output size 1117, that's what we want. The default would be match page size, but we're going to change that to 1117. And then down here, the default is normally one-sided printing because that's what we change it to when we install these devices. We select booklet printing. Over here where it says saddle stitch settings, fold and saddle stitch. OK. And then without further ado, we'll hit OK and we'll hit print. And here's our booklet. As you can see, it does all the imposition for you correctly in the specific order. Now another tip, if you have something that you want to make a saddle stitch format out of, make sure that the number of pages is divisible by 4 because you're printing it on a ledger size sheet and there are 4 clicks and 4 pages per ledger size sheet or 1117. Now, if you wanted to lock that setting down, as you can see when I go here and hit Properties, it saved my settings. We simply just go up here. You'll notice that there are some settings in there already that come with the driver default. We're going to click Add. We're going to call this Booklet. And we'll hit OK. So now we've got that saved as a preset. All right, thank you very much everyone. Enjoy your 4th of July, be safe. And we'll see you on the next Tuttle Tip Tuesday.